Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we love you to share creative ideas with you. In today's video, we will be showing you some quick and easy wall decor ideas using old photo frames. Let's get started. Do you have some old photo frames that you no longer use? Instead of throwing them away, why not repurpose them and give your walls a refresh and new look? First, let's start with a simple ideas. You can take an old photo frame, remove the glass and place fabric on it, vibrant color and match your interior decor. Once the place them, hang it on the wall and instantly add a pop of color to your space. Another idea is to turn your old photo frame into a unique jewelry holder. Simply remove the glass and replace it with a piece of wire mesh and hang your necklace and earrings from the mesh, and not only will you have a functional storage solution but also a beautiful wall display. If you are feeling extra creative, why not turn your old photo frame into mini shelf. Remove the black of the frame, replace it with a small wooden board and attach some hooks to the bottom. Now you have a stylish and practical shelf to display small decor idea or even hanky. And finally, for the a touch of vintage charm, you can use old frame to create a gallery wall. Gather several frames of different size and style and arrange them in a visually placing away on your walls. Fill the frame with black and white photo or beautiful illusions and instantly transform your space into a personal art gallery. And there you have it, 4 quick and easy wall decor ideas using old photo frame. Get creative, have fun, and watch your wall come to life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, guys, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and inspiration. Until next time, creative wall decor ideas and old photo frames. Till then, bye, take care, guys, and thank you for watching my video.